Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access visibility enhancement on your Samsung phone. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to the settings. After that, scroll down to the accessibility option, click on that. Here you can see visibility enhancements. So you can see that there are a lot of options for that. The first column refers to colors and clarity, like high contrast theme, non-yellow or blue, high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard. If you have highlight buttons, color inversions, color adjustments, and color filter, and remove animations, which says that prevents some screen effects, useful if you are sensitive to animation or screen movement. And the other column refers to size and zoom, like magnifier, window magnification, large mouse, touchpad pointer, font size and style, and the screen zoom. So thank you very much. If this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.